Hi beauties, I am back with another video, and today I'm going to be coming at you guys with a full hair tutorial. This is going to be a video on how I style this unit and apply this unit, and I'm going to also show you guys how I pluck this unit. So if you guys would like to see how I slay this wig, then keep on watching. So I've already detangled this unit. This unit has been co-washed. I did wash it with Fruities, Garnier Fruities shampoo and conditioner. So to apply the wig, I'm going to be using Got To Be spray. I sneeze, so bless me. But to spray the wig, I'm going to be using the Got To Be spray, and I'm going to lay the wig down just so I can see the parting better. I'm going to clip the hair out the way because I am going to be plucking this unit so that it'll look a lot more natural, because right now it looks like wiggy. So I'm going to apply the unit first just so it'll be like on my head, and then I'm going to pluck it. So to apply the wig, I'm only going to spray 2 layers of the Got To Be spray, and I'm going to let that dry, and you'll know it's dry because it'll be tacky. Once it starts to get tacky, then you want to go ahead and lay your wig down, your lace, and I'm going to take the comb, and I'm going to lay the lace down with the comb because it just smooths out the lace. And the comb that I'm going to use is the metal tip comb, rat tail comb, and I got this from the hair store, but that really helps to lay the lace down. So just make sure you guys are letting the spray dry, and then you lay your lace down, and then you just lay your lace down, and you can blow dry it so that you make sure that it's fully dry. So this is the part where I'm going to go ahead and start plucking the unit, and I'm pretty much just separating out small sections of the hair, and I'm using my small tooth comb to part each section, and I'm just combing it in front, and I'm going to pluck the hairline just to thin it out because I want this to look like realistic, and the hairline wasn't realistic looking enough for me. It looked very, very wiggy. So that's pretty much what I'm doing. I'm just plucking out the hairline, and make sure you have sharp tweezers to do this, because if you don't, you're just gonna snag on the hair and you're not really plucking anything, you're just ripping the hair. So just make sure you use sharp tweezers. And I also pluck towards the back because I do want a natural hairline in the front also. And I did pluck my parting. The best way that I can explain this is just pluck row by row, and just make sure that you don't stay in the same area, and make sure you just pull the hair from the knots in the roots of the closure, if you get what I'm saying. But I'm gonna let you guys watch, because you'll be able to observe and see exactly what I'm doing. So I am going to be doing baby hairs, and the baby hairs pretty much I'm just trimming the little hairs in the front. I'm going to be using an eyebrow razor to trim the hairs, and then I'm just going to take my comb and swoop the hairs. You don't want the hairs to be too thick because it'll give it like an unnatural appearance. So you'll be able to see exactly what I'm doing. I'm making the baby hairs very thin. You can barely see how many hairs I'm pulling out, and that's the key to the baby hairs. And then you just going to comb it out, and I'm using the Style Factor Edge Control just to hold it down, and then I'm going to trim it with the eyebrow razor, and then I'm going to take the comb and I'm going to swoop the baby hairs. So I haven't got a chance to bleach the knots of my closure, but I'm going to be using makeup to customize my part to make